Hi guys, it's a blizzard out here. It's completely awful and horrible. So my plan for this weekend is to spend the weekend inside doing some scrapbooking. And I'd like to invite you to join me for Scrapbook Live, Saturday, January 27th at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. I'll be scrapbooking using a kit from the Wild Hair Kits, and I'll be giving away a free kit. They're custom curated kits, lots of fun to play with because you get to give the direction on the kinds of supplies that you'd like to get. If you want to join me, pop over to scrapbookwonderland.com and fill out the pink and blue subscribe box. You'll get on the email list and you'll get the link. Okay, so let's do some scrapbooking this Saturday, the 27th, and have some fun and get out of the weather. Bye!